Guys, Chris Aqua here with another edition of cryptocurrency tutorials. On this channel, I post video updates on how you can make money online. So in today's video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can swap your volatile cryptocurrency to a stable coin. Probably you want to take profits in a very profitable market, or probably you want to exit out of a loss. Then you need to know how to actually convert your coins, and when doing this, you need to know how to do it with the lowest fee possible. So right now, what you need to do is to, once you log in on your app, your Binance app or your laptop, just go to trades. You can see trades at the bottom footer, the middle icon in the bottom footer. You see trades right there. So once you click on trade, you can see how to trade on at the top, at the header. You can see convert, you can see spot, you can see margin, fiat, and P2P. So all you need to do is to use the spot trading. You might decide to use convert. Once you click on convert right here, you can convert from any coins to any coins, but here the limit, there's a limit on the number of coins that are available to convert right here. So, and the fee is also high. So all you need to do is to use the spot wallet. So once the spot trading, so once you click on the spot trading, you see it right here. Right now, I want to use the example of BNB to USDT. USDT is a stable coin, while BNB is a volatile coin. Right now, BNB is on an upsurge. Currently, the price of BNB is $4.99. You can see it right here, and I really want to take profits by selling all my BNB before it goes down again. So what I need to do is go back to click on trades right here. This is BNB. So currently it's on sale, but eventually I want to buy. All I need to do is just to click on buy, and the button will turn green. But right now I want to sell my BNB. Before I sell my BNB, let me show you my wallet. I have 49.91 US dollars worth of BNB. I have 0.1 BNB. So let me go back to my trade. So all I need to do is click on sell. You can see right here. Click on sell. Once I click on sell, I change this order here to market. So I click on sell, then change it to market. Immediately you enter this interface, it will be on limits. You can see it on limit, but I want to change it to market. So once I change it to market, then I come down to click on 100%. You can see right here, I want to sell all my BNB. And as you can see, the price has already reduced from 49.91 to 49.87. So I really need to be quick before this movement goes against me. So basically, this is just like trading spots. It's just like a tutorial on trading spots. So I click on 100%. Once I click on 100%, all I need to do next is to click on sell BNB. Let me click on sell BNB right now. So you can see success, and my BNB is already being transferred. So once I go back to wallet, I click on wallet and I scroll down to refresh the page. You can see my USDT is here, and as at the point of selling, I think the price increased. So you can see right here, I have $50.81 USDT. So guys, that's how to convert your coin. So you can also now wait. Probably you want to take profits like me. I took profits, and now I'm going to wait for the price to go down, then I enter the market again. And for me to do that, all I need to do is to click on trades again, click on trade again, click on buy, click on market, click on limits. It will be on limit, so you click on limit and change it to market to put the number of coin I want to buy right here. Then if you want to don't want to use BNB USDT, you can just click on this BNB USDT pair here. Once I click on it, you see a list of markets right here. So you can just search for whichever one you want: fiat, alt, BTC, BNB. You can see it right here. So let's say I want to do let's see XMR. XMR is Monero. You can see the currency pairs: XMR USDT, XMR BUSD, XMR BNB. So you can always do this, and it's very easy to trade on the spot. So guys, that's the video tutorial for today. If you like this video and it's of valuable content to you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. If you have any question for me, drop it in the comment section below. I love you. Thank you for supporting the channel. Stay safe and don't forget to use your nose mask.